Hello guys, welcome to trendyblog.net. In this video, let us check out the Goovis Pro 2021 headset featuring D3 Blu-ray player. Now this is the box of Goovis personal 3D viewer. You can see this is the Goovis Pro 2021. Comes in a nice shiny box. Inside the box, if you open, you have another box which says Goovis here. And this is the box, just in case you missed the frame. Now this is the box which comes in nice black color. Opening up, we have just case in which you have all the details. Further digging upon, we see a user manual which can be used to see what are the details of this headset, and then we get a nice fiber cloth which can be used to clean the lens of the headset. Now, other than that, we don't get anything else inside the box. Now, looking at the Goovis case itself, so this is the Goovis case. You can see, looks quite good. To the top, we have the Goovis logo, made up of a really nice quality. The case feels soft and sturdy. Now opening up the box, you can see inside we have the Goovis 3D Pro headset itself. Now this looks really nice. It has a blackish brown rim kind of tone which looks really attractive. To the top we have a logo and to the front we have a shiny plastic. Turning the Goovis Pro headset to the back, you can see we have few buttons here and the lens adjuster rims, so which you can use to adjust the lens. This is a gold plated one, which means that it's a very high quality. And you can see there is a nice brownish black color tone that is on the Goovis headset. Under the headset, we have few straps that can be used to put it in your head, and which makes it pretty easy and comfortable fit on your head. So these are two steps given. So these are the materials that you get inside the Goovis Pro box, which is the headset. You have your case, you have your two straps, and that's it. So other than that, we don't have anything else. Now looking at the Goovis headset, you can see this looks very premium. To the front, we have the Goovis logo, and we have a shiny reflective display here, which you can see. To the top, we have some buttons here, which can be used to adjust the lens of both the eyes, and then a few other buttons to increase the brightness and other details, which you can see here. Then we have few air vents for better air circulation and other details. On the top, you can see we have a nice headband rest, which gives you a nice comfortable wear fit when you're wearing it. And here is the USB cable that gets connected to your PC, HDMI PC, laptop, or maybe your gaming console, etc. You can also connect this to the Blu-ray disc that we are going to show you right now. So here are the details that we get. Overall, we really like this product, and we you enjoyed their cinema viewing experience on this product. This really feels like you are viewing a cinema on your home itself. You can just plug into it your PC, Nintendo, anywhere, and this will work perfectly fine, and you will really enjoy the content on this. So you can see these are the things that are taken inside of the glass, and you can see how crisp and detailed these things are. So this is definitely a really cool product to check out. You should definitely try it out if you get a chance to do so. So this is the Goovis D3 player. Now, if you don't want to connect your Goovis headset to PlayStation, laptop, etc., you can use this Goovis D3 player to view a great Blu-ray movies or content. You can see this is a compact player, which is just looks like a big remote. And on the top, we have the all the buttons, the volume, up, down, power button, etc. And to the back, we have the Goovis logo. To the side, we have nothing much. To the bottom, we have all the standard the USB key port, HDMI power, and the 3.5 mm jack, and then to the top we have some air vents and then other port. So this is a pretty compact product, and we really enjoyed using this. Also, you can just stream your put in the Blu-ray movies and you will really enjoy this. So guys, that was a really quick video of the Goovis 3D Pro headset and this Blu-ray player. So guys, full review will be up on our website, which is trendyblog.net. Link to the same in the description. Go and check out the full review. You will find it much interesting than this video. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll catch you guys in our next video.